Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: as a part of charity drive at a school, the students collected 7,062 packets of food to distribute among the needy. If they distributed the packets among 321 families, how many packets did each family will get? Firstly, total number of food packets collected are 7,062 and number of families are 321. Therefore, each family will get the number of foods are total number of food packets, that is 7,062, divided by number of families, that is 321. Do that by long division. 7,062 divided by 321. As 3 is there and 7 is here, so we can check 2. 321 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 3 twos are 6. So here we can take 2. 642. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Move this 2 down. And as we see here, 321 into 2 is 642. So it is 22. Hence, each family will get 22 food packets.